Welcome back to Legal Threads, where we untangle real cases and the legal rules behind them. I'm Chat, and today's episode is about a disturbing case from Alaska that tested whether a defendant could claim he made a mistake about the age of his victims. Willie Bell was a 29-year-old Army sergeant who recruited 3 teenage girls, 2 16-year-olds and one just 14, into prostitution. He promised one girl gifts and marriage, directed the others to work, and even assaulted one when she wasn't working as he demanded. After 2 of the girls went to the police, investigators gathered recorded conversations that tied Bell to the scheme. A jury convicted him of inducing the 14-year-old into prostitution and of managing a prostitution enterprise. On appeal, Bell argued that he should have been allowed to claim a reasonable mistake of age defense, saying he didn't know one of the girls was under 16. Normally, under due process, criminal liability requires some level of intent. But Alaska had a statute, Section 11.66.110b, that explicitly barred a mistake of age defense in prosecutions for promoting prostitution of a minor under 16. Bell claimed this stripped away the constitutional requirement of culpability. The appellate court disagreed. They pointed to a key difference between this case and Alaska's earlier decision in State v. Guest, a statutory rape case where mistake of age was allowed as a defense. In Guest, the underlying act, consensual sex, was not itself illegal if the partner had been older. But with Bell, the underlying conduct, promoting prostitution, was criminal no matter what the girl's age was. Even if she had been 16 or older, Bell would still be guilty of promoting prostitution, just at a lower degree. So the court held that making age a strict liability aggravating factor did not violate due process. Bell had the required intent to promote prostitution, and the legislature was within its power to take mistake of age off the table for the under 16 enhancement. His convictions and sentences were affirmed. The thread here is that not all crimes treat mistake of age the same way. In statutory rape, mistake of age can matter because the underlying act may be legal with older partners. But in prostitution cases, where the act is already illegal regardless of age, legislatures can make age a strict liability factor. That line makes all the difference. That's it for this episode of Legal Threads. If you're enjoying these breakdowns, remember to like and subscribe for more legal threads.